Hello, Karen Wolf in the art studio this evening. I am a painter and I teach adults and children how to paint and become better painters. I'm just in here in the art studio this evening and I'm preparing for a painting party. And thought I would just chit chat with you all a little bit while I'm doing it. So I have the gnome painting party is tomorrow. I've got one tomorrow evening, and I've got one also. I think the tomorrow evening it's full. It's booked, and then I have one tomorrow morning. Another gnome couple. It's from 11 to 2, and I have one opening. So if anyone's interested in that, there you go. All right, so what I'm doing here is just getting ready for the painting parties. I do this, trace the drawings on before the painting parties, and that's what I'm doing in here this evening. So I just take my graphite paper and make a drawing and trace this on. And this makes it easier for you guys when you come in to paint. For those of you who haven't been in here and painted with me, y'all say hi when you jump on here, and tell me where you're from if you don't mind. Just say hey, hi, as you jump on. But that makes it easier on you all when you paint. When you come into the studio and you paint with me, I try to make it as easy as I can. And if I draw the image on beforehand, and you just paint in the image, that makes it easier. Makes it easier for you. So that's why I do that. I try to make it as easy as I can. And then if you do the online tutorials, then you get a template like this, and you can draw it on there yourself. You just print the template off, and you can draw the image on your canvas yourself at home. So there's that. Pretty easy stuff. But we try to make life, want things to be simple in life. Simple is better. Hey, Missy, right? Simple is better. Better. Welcome. And also I wanted to just throw out there, I've got this back here for you all to see. I've got a tutorial, a cupcake painting tutorial that I have, and I'm offering it free to folks. And a lot of people don't know about it, I don't think. And all you have to do is just comment free. Just comment down there, just put free. And then I'll go back in after the video's over, and I will send you a link that you go in and you click on the link, and it'll email you this video to paint this cupcake. So it's free. There's no obligation or anything. You just put in your email address, and I'll send you the cupcake video, and it'll have a template just like this. It'll have a template, and it will have I can't walk, talk, and chew gum at the same time. Trying to do this and talk at the same time. It'll have a template. It'll have, and you just print it out, and you do hear what I'm doing. It'll have the supply list, and it'll tell you everything that you need to paint with. And you can paint it whatever color you want. You don't have to paint it the colors that are on there. This is size for 8x10. It's an 8x10 canvas. And you just follow along the video instructions, and paint the cupcake. So it's pretty easy. That's so true, especially for me. Yeah, you got to keep things simple. Simple. And me too, especially these days. I just get so bum-puzzled sometimes. Like, I can't even draw this on here with a template because I can't, like I said, I can't walk, talk, and chew gum at the same time. Hey, Amy, welcome. But if you just comment, just put just free, just the word free in the comments. When I see that you've done that, then that'll tell me that you want the tutorial. And I'll put the link there for you, and you can go in and collect your free video. So that's fun times. Everybody likes free stuff. I know I do. I wanted to make sure everybody was aware of that being out there, so I thought I'd throw that out there. But it's an easy one. I know everybody thinks that they're hard, but step by step you can do it. It's not that difficult, and you have the tutorial to just go back and watch it again and again. It doesn't go away. It's there for you to use for as long as you want it. And it's just, you know, like I said, step by step. It's on an 8x10. But don't let being afraid stop you from, but you love coming to paint. It's special. Well, of course you do. You can still come in here, but that gives you a free one to do at home. There's nothing wrong with that. You can be there in your pajamas and, you know, sitting there painting your cupcake and in the comfort of your home. But, yeah, you're still welcome to come in here and paint with me anytime. But I wanted to toss that out there to you guys. But don't let fear get in the way. For those of you who haven't painted with me, Missy, you know, you tell them they can do it. It's don't be afraid. You just have to try it, and you can do it. And I give you all the instruction, just step by step. I tell you everything. I tell you the brushes to use, the colors to use. And like I said, you can use whatever colors that you want. You don't have to use the same colors I'm using. So, I give you all the information that you need to paint. And that's the way I do with all the videos and all of the classes. I give you the instruction, and you just follow along and paint with me. But, yeah, fear's a liar. Don't let being afraid keep you from doing things that are fun, things that, you know, you want to learn to do. Because, you know, you just have to just step out and just try it. And then once you try it, you'd be surprised at what you can do. You really will. Before I'd ever painted, I was afraid too. And I thought I couldn't do it. But there was that voice that kept saying, you know, try it. You might be able to do it. And then there's also that voice that says, you won't be able to do that. So just forget about it. But I didn't listen to that voice after a while. I listened to the one that said, that I wanted to try it. And I did. And I could. And I just kept going and practicing. Once you do it and you figure out that you can, yeah, if Missy, like you say, if I can do it, if you can do it, other people can do it. And that's the same with me. If I can do it, you can do it. And it's just like anything else that you do in life. You just have to practice. Once you try it and you find out that's something that you like, just practice. It's just like anything that a sport or playing a musical instrument or anything that you do. You just have to keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Practice. But all you have to do to get the free video, it's just easy stuff. No fancy business. All you have to do is comment. Just put in the comment just the word free. and I will send you the link to the video, and you will be able to just click on it, go into the video, you click on the template, print it off, click on the template, and the supplies list are like a PDF, like a document, and you just print it off. And or you could, you know, just, if you don't have a printer, I guess you could just look at the thing and see what you need. But the template is, you print it off, and then you do what I'm doing here. You trace it. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing down here or not. Y'all see what I'm doing? Woo, there went my phone. It said report a problem. No, we don't have a problem. Unless you guys are dizzy and sick from where I just dropped my phone. It is fun and relaxing and educational. Yes, it is. Okay, so here's where I'm at. I'm down here and I'm tracing. And what you will do is you will receive a printout. And this is the gnome. This is not this. But you will receive a printout of the cupcake. And yours will be on one page because that will fit. Because this is an 8x10. And you just print out that one piece of paper, and it'll have a cupcake drawing on it instead of a gnome. And then you just get you an 8x10 canvas and put your template on top, put your graphite paper down, and then trace that cupcake on there, and there you go. Or you can freehand it. If you want to, you can freehand it. But you just put your graphite paper down, match up your corners. Have it on anything? Match up your corners, and making sure I get that back where it was. And then you just start tracing it on. And that graphite will transfer the drawing onto the canvas. I'm going over that twice. And that way you have a boundary to, you know, a shape to paint in. And then I'll tell you how to paint it. So, but yeah, that don't let that being afraid keep you guys from doing it, because I was like that, like I said, for a long time. And I finally just said, the heck with that, and I tried it. And I was so glad that I did, because had I never took that first step to try it, I wouldn't be here today instructing painting parties and in the studio and online, and you know, having the parties for the kids and with the adults, and we just have a great time. Just a great time. It's so much fun. Everybody coming out into the, you know, into the painting party, just painting and getting together and getting out and having a fun girls' day out or something. Or, you know, if you're at home and you're painting and on the virtuals, you can do it, you know, from the convenience and relaxation of your home. So it's a lot of fun. It really is. So, but yeah, don't let fear get in the way, guys. Don't let it stop you. It is an ugly, ugly liar. It will keep you from doing all kinds of stuff, not just this. I know I've had so many things I've had to learn lately with all the things that I've been doing with my business, and I get afraid with that. And then especially technology stuff. I'm not real tech savvy. I've had to learn a lot. I have had to learn so much of the tech stuff. So, but if you all don't mind, just sprinkle the love and let folks know about it. So the more people that see this and the more this gets out, it helps me and it helps you all, and it's just a win-win. So, but I do appreciate you guys. Appreciate it, each and every one of you. I'm thankful for you all to be, you know, watching and interested in the painting. So I hope you all paint along with me sometimes. I have lots of videos. I have lots of videos on here and on my website. I do. But this one here is free. So if you're interested in that, just comment, put free in the comments, and I'll send you that video right quick. So, well, I'm gonna get off here and finish drawing these crazy things, because I'm sure this is just boring you all to death. I do have some painting parties coming up. Like I said, if you guys are interested, I've got the teacup, or the teapot, I mean. The truck of hearts is coming up. Get on there and sign up for those if you guys are interested in painting those with me. Those will be really fun. Those are in the studio. So it'll be some fun times. Hope to see you soon too, Missy. Thank you so much for joining. You all have a really good evening. Thank you all, and God bless you, and take care. And I'll see you back on here again. Thank you. Bye-bye.